McGirt v. Oklahoma was a case, the facts of the case involved a criminal conviction. And the court considered whether or not the state had the jurisdiction to prosecute an Indian who had committed a crime within the boundaries of the Muskogee Creek Nation.
Let's remember that McGirt was about the removal treaties that removed the 5 tribes from their original homelands to what is now Oklahoma. And the question was whether the Congress had done enough to break that promise when it imposed the state of Oklahoma over these tribal lands. The Supreme Court in July of 2020 said the Congress had not gone so far as to break those promises. That's really important.
18 U.S.C. 1151 includes 3 different definitions of Indian country.
So how could McGirt v. Oklahoma and the Supreme Court's ruling on it impact abortion laws that Governor Kevin Stitt has signed into law and is hoping to sign into law soon?
First of all, that requires an assumption that any particular given tribe or tribal government, that there's going to be the political will amongst its citizens for its tribes and tribal governments to facilitate abortion providers within Indian country. There are, aside from the political obstacles, there are other legal obstacles as well. For example, the Hyde Amendment would likely prevent the use of any federal funds, which would rule out provision in Indian health clinics, IHS operations. If Roe v. Wade were to be completely overturned and you were to have a federal policy that abortion is illegal, that might open up the door to incorporation of something called the Assimilated Crimes Act, which basically allows the feds to borrow state law as long as it doesn't expressly conflict with, when there is not a federal statute on point, it allows them to incorporate state law for that purpose. So that would also be a potential obstacle.